welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Michael Odeba. Well, this is how to make money on Owoni Daily. So many people are complaining that there's no job and all of that. But you can see here, Owoni Daily is the platform. Owoni Daily is the platform from this dashboard here. This is what I've earned so far. You can see here, for this one I've earned here in just few days. And if I take you guys down here, you see there's a milestone to achieve, which is 100 invitee, and I've done 12 invitee. You can see people here. What do? They have picked the link and they are registered, and they are yet to activate 40 referrals. So you see, it's not about the referral alone. So here is what we do in Owo Daily. Now for those asking now, if you want to pick this job now, currently here you can see 10 naira, 10 naira, 10 naira, 10 naira, and the job description is just simple. Comment on my Instagram handle. I think these are from different people and all of that. Follow my Instagram, and I comment on my Instagram handle, and I comment on latest and all of that. 7, they have done 42, 29, 36, 200, 47, 76, and all of that. So if you do all these ones, as you do them, they're going to comment, they're going to go on, and then confirm them when it reaches 200 members. Here it is 100 plus, and this one. So if I click here now, if I click here now, you can see they say apply. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a daily basis, these jobs comes on a daily basis, you will see that the possibility of getting 1,000 naira is there. For those telling me I can't do it, this is so hard, currently with the one they are giving to us, it's as cheap as anything. Now if I click this link here, it's going to give me a command to get to my Instagram handle. So now this is the Instagram handle, and this is the picture they are asking me to like, and this is the handle. So after like, I can take screenshots for like, and then go back, and just exit and go back to your back office. Then what do? You just input your Instagram handle here. You see this one is not requesting for you to put your picture. There are some other ones that needs you to put. So they are saying proof needed by employee, IG username. So just put your Instagram handle. When it gets there, it's going to check those that have done this job, and that is as freaky as anything. Now you too can be among a car winner here. You can be among the car winners here. You understand? Among the car winners here too. So there's a lot of job. These things are not even you can see this one. I just clicked. It didn't take up to 30 minutes, and for to do the job, 13 seconds, I'm already done. And so many people are complaining there's no job here to do. You see, invite members. This is where I love to do. They said invite members to earn 1,600 naira bonus and complete a daily milestone to win a car. So if I complete a whole daily milestone, it's about 160,000, 140,000-160,000 naira. Thereabout. So you see, here is current balance 6,580 naira. Here is my affiliate link. You can copy it and send it. So share it via Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and all of that. I've earned, this is just for an ad. You see, And what does it take for you? It's easy. There are jobs that I've done that are pending, and there are some that have been verified. You can see all these ones are jobs that I've done and they have been verified and all that. Sorry, these are my invitees currently. You see, this one is verified. These ones are pending because they are yet to activate their account and all that. So you see, as we aim to empower you with opportunities to earn using our network, you can now earn a cash reward every time you invite a friend and all that. So if you decide to do affiliate on this platform, I believe me, you are going to earn massive money. So if your downlines decide to refer, you get 200 naira and all of that. So that is just simple as a whole daily. Now, if I show you guys my withdrawal so far, you will see that I've made withdrawal. I've made withdrawal some Fridays ago, and this one is gonna be withdrawn again on Friday, coming Friday. And before that time, can do better. You can see the last one I did was the last withdrawal I did was 12,000. I had 13,000 about, so they're taking 5%, 5% for each withdrawal, and the withdrawal minimum start from 5,000. So for this one, I'm eligible to withdraw now currently now, but their withdrawal is only on Friday. You can receive them only on Friday. So if you find this video helpful, comment, like, and then share, and see you in the next video. Thank you.